Buckle up, Buttercup, because we are diving headfirst into the burp horror stories you never asked for, but absolutely cannot unhear. Yeah, you thought burps were just funny little hiccups of air after chugging a soda? Wrong. They can be the stuff of damn nightmares. Case in point, documented case number 1, a man in China whose endless burping turned out to be stomach cancer. Not so funny now, right? Number 2, a woman in the UK who burped nonstop for weeks and was later diagnosed with gallbladder disease. And number 3, a college kid in the US who thought his burps were from late-night pizza, but nope, they were the warning sign of a hiatal hernia. Burps can literally be red flags screaming from your gut that something is seriously off. So what the heck causes burping nightmares? Science says it can be acid reflux, gastroesophageal reflux disease, or even a lovely little bacteria called Helicobacter pylori that munches away at your stomach lining like it is a damn buffet. Studies out of the Mayo Clinic show that chronic burping tied to reflux can lead to esophageal damage if you just ignore it. Yeah, that is like putting duct tape over a smoke alarm and hoping the house does not burn down. Now for treatment options, because yes, there is hope. Professionally, doctors can run endoscopies, test for H. pylori, and prescribe proton pump inhibitors or antibiotics if infection is the culprit. In severe cases, surgery may be on the table to repair a hernia or tighten up that leaky valve at the top of your stomach. At home, you can try the usual suspects. Chew slowly, skip carbonated drinks, stop eating like a linebacker at a buffet. Avoid fatty or spicy foods that kick up acid. Some folks swear by ginger tea or chamomile, but remember these are more comfort band-aids than cures. If your burps are louder than your car engine and lasting longer than your last relationship, it is time to see a professional. Bottom line, burps are usually harmless, but when they turn into non-stop gas grenades, they can signal bigger chaos going on inside. Treat them seriously, get checked out, and do not wait until you are the next horror story headline on Yahoo News. So next time you let one slip, remember that little burp might just be your body saying, "Hey mate, something is up in here." Listen to it before you end up being that poor soul who can burp the entire national anthem and needs a doctor instead of a microphone.